Alright, Emily is a plumber. She charges $28 per job plus $20 per hour. If the total labor bill for a job was $58, how many hours did supposed to be Emily work? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an x-axis and a y-axis. So it's my y-axis. Here's my x-axis. And I've got my two variables here. The very first variable is the hours that she worked. And then the other variable is the bill for the job. Okay. And so the least amount of hours she can work is 0 hours. And then the most amount of hours that we calculate her working for this problem is 1.5 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count by a quarter of an hour. So this is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45. There's 1 hour, and then an hour 15 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes, hour 45 minutes, and 2 hours. Okay. And you could keep going if you wanted to, but I'm just going to stop right there. I'm cool with that. And so then as far as the bill goes, we're going to go as low as $0 because that's where my origin is. And we need to go as high, at least $58. Now, you can go higher. I would recommend going a little higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count by 5. So that's 5, and then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Alright? So that's a little bit higher. So now at 0 hours, she's still going to charge $28 just to show up for the job. So 0 hours worked, I'm going to go up to about 28 hours. That's right below 30 hours. I'm going to plot a point there. And then at 1.5 hours, whenever you work out number 5, you find out that 1.5 hours, she's going to charge $58. So that would be roughly right here. And then I'm going to just connect my points. And you can get an idea of what this graph is going to look like, okay? So you can see that it looks like she's doing pretty well, making some pretty good money here, fairly good. And you could keep going on if your graph paper is bigger, but this at least gives us a general idea that you understand where the y-intercept is. Okay, it's at that $28 mark, and that you're able to extend that line out. So, all right, that's number 5.